Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name's Haley and we do all things makeup and lifestyle on this channel. And today we're going to be going through a Bride of Chucky Tiffany tutorial. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. I'm going to go in with the Blend Bunny Blends palette. I'm going to go in with Vexed and Self Love. I'll open my crease. Tiffany's eye look is pretty simple. It's just like a black eyelid smoked out into like a red burgundy eyeshadow. Which, like, iconic. Love that. But we're just gonna keep blending our little hearts away. And then I'm taking some white eyeshadow and I am blending out that line. I'm gonna go in a little bit with depth as well. Just using little windshield wiper motions. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Black Bean, and we're going to put that on our lid. And then I'm just going to take a brush and blend that out. This is just to give us a sticky base on our lids for the black eyeshadow to be super black. And then my favorite Blackest black that I own is actually in the Mikayla X Glamlite palette, and it is called Blackest Black. We're just gonna take that on a little flat brush. Same brush we blended out the NYX Jumbo pencil with. We're just gonna pack that on the lid. Now that we got a super black lid, unblended, we're gonna go in with our same red shades and blend the black into the red. And I'm focusing on staying right in the crease and not going any higher. We're gonna take a makeup wipe and clean this up. That's why I didn't do my face makeup yet. I was nervous. I feel like Tiffany needs liner, so we're gonna do liner. Prime with the e.l.f. primer, Power Grip primer. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in shade 150. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Fair. And we're just gonna put it on because Tiffany is pale. My foundation's pale, but we want to be paler. Very pale. My normal contour stick. Makeupbymario in medium. Tiffany has that rounded, like, dull cheek to her, so I'm gonna take a little bit more contour and kind of round out my contour into my cheeks. Now I'm gonna take concealer and I'm gonna smile and put it right on the apples of my cheeks because with dolls, that's right where the light hits. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty Blush and Turks and Caicos right on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one's in light one. This is for coverage. The other one was for lightness. Gonna try to keep this right underneath the eye. I'm gonna set all of that with the Onesize translucent setting powder. You want your makeup to last all night? It's Onesize. Onesize setting powder, setting spray. I haven't tried their primers yet. But Onesize. I'm not even joking. 24-hour wear. Set my contour. And a wee bit of Colourpop blush in Papaya. Going back in with my jumbo eye pencil in Black Bean. Like a flat little brush. And some of the red shadow on it. Just keep blending, just keep blending. A shimmer shade right in my inner corner. I feel like that's what Tiffany would do. She's very glitz and glam. I'm gonna take the Kiss lashes and well blended. I curl my lashes because they are stick straight. I put eyelash glue on my lash line as well because when you got a sticky thing and a sticky thing and they stick together, they hold really well. So that's the best I could do to explain it. But yeah, try sticking 2 pieces of duct tape together. They don't come apart. So this is what I do to make my eyelashes last literally all day at work. I squeeze my lashes together. Make sure they're stuck on there. And then I'm going to use mascara to blend my lashes together. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below a red heart letting me know you guys stayed to the end. Subscribe if you like me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! I'm gonna set my Cant with our jumbo eye pencil. The sun is coming out. No!